Where is Jade? Was that? I like that blue one. Let me see. No, that's not Arctic lupine. It's a wild. Arctic lupine is wild one. You can, yeah. The one we have, I see. I show you what we. The one in our street. That's, yeah. Wow, there's a lot of birds. Yeah, yeah. Oh, maybe check if they have a seed. Yeah, I told you. He's not gonna go. He's not gonna. Oh, okay. There's Jade. There you go. There's Jade. Oh, there you go. There's Julie now and Gracie. They're like on the tea time that you cannot touch them. Why would they do that? Poor Joanna. Where are you guys going? Come in, Han. At least no poop, right? Yeah. Oh, there's a lot of bird. Gilana, you wanna go check it out? Make sure you don't step on the poop, though. There you go, guys. There's the geese. Oh, there's baby geese, Gilana. You wanna see? But don't go near, though. Oh, they're all poop. You wanna go now? Oh, there's no poop here so far. There's no poop, so. Jade, just be patient. Jade, please. It's okay, Jade. Why? What time did you guys sleep again last night? What time? What time did you sleep last night? I didn't hear any answer. Jelana, I'll wait for you on the slide. Oh, you want to do that? That's big. That's huge. Okay. Whoa. One, two, three, go down. Yeah. Hi, guys. We are here at the library, at the playground. There's Jelana trying to enjoy. Oh, she's so fast. Kids so fast. Hi, Melandi. How are you? Oh, you can do that too? Yeah, she's swiftly kid. She's so fast.